How to turn off ads for your interests on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off ads on your interests on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera and then click this one, and now click here, settings, and then go down until you find here data collection and click on it, and then you will find here this one, display ads personalized for your interests. Just click on it if you want to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on, one click of course. And that's how to turn off display ads for your interests on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.